What's up, everyone? It's Arif, and we're going to be taking apart my other SS1. Now, I chose to do this because we took apart this one here, and I just want to see really if this part is meant to be broken or not. And see, I think this is a diode over here, considering it's listed as D1. I think it's a diode. So I just want to check. Once again, I'm not great with the electronics by any stretch of the imagination in terms of all the nitty-gritty stuff. So I could be completely wrong in my terminology. But I just want to take it apart and just see what's inside and if we actually can fix it. If it's just one of those like little circuit components, then it should be pretty cheap to fix. Considering those things are like, pennies on the dollar. But if not, then, well, we're going to have to figure out another way to fix it. Okay, so unscrewing this, we've already done in the last video. Once again, H2.5 screws. But since we've already done it, let's just snap this thing away. There we go. All the screws are out, so let's just take off this one covering. I only took it off on one side, so I know which is the good one here. And let's take a look here at the PCB. So looking at the bottom, this is supposed to not be attached, so at least we know that. And then looking at the little components, this one does look a little bit in better shape than this one. This is the broken one here. And as we can see, what looks to be like a diode, I think it's a diode, this little orange part here, it does look a little bit mangled, but so does that one at the top. So at least we know this is meant to be this way. And now let's take a look at that. And this is the good one here. And we can see that this one looks a little bit in better shape. So it might actually just be that component. It might be. Now I also see there's like the contacts on the back here. So we should probably take a look at those. See if anything there is damaged. So here's the bad one looking there. The contacts on the back of the XLRs, they seem to be in pretty good shape. So yeah, I think this might be a pretty simple repair, all things considered now. This might not be too bad. Don't quote me on it, like I could totally be wrong. But just taking a look here on the backs. Let's put these the right way. Looking at these on the backs. Yeah, I don't see any burn marks on the PCB, so that's like fantastic news. And yeah, it might just be a component. So I'm going to try and get the schematic for this and see if I can find out what those little orange parts are. I believe they're diodes. Pretty sure, considering they're listed as D1 and the other ones are R1 through 3, which are clearly resistors. So it might be just a diode. And if it's just a diode, we can easily resolder a new one back on. That is not hard at all. So I guess I got some research to do. So stay tuned for hopefully what will be part 3 at some point. And I will let you guys know how we fix it, if I choose to fix it on camera or if I just fix it off air. But guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, part 2 of our SS1 repair. Because since they're not making these anymore, gotta fix what we can while we can. You know what I mean? So guys, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe on this video. We're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, 943 as of this video. So thank you so much to everyone who's hitting that button, and I will see all of you guys on the next video. Bye.